add the mussels and the shrimps to the boil. You see the boil inside here. Got it all boiling real good with the potatoes, onions, and smell that aroma. You can't smell it. You hear me? My daughter finna help me. She's my little helper.
It makes no sense. But it's not good.
Watch your hand. Add a little bit of mussel, about a half a pound of mussel. So we got 2 half a pounds to make one whole. And I'm gonna stir that up and let that cook. Got another half a pound we finna put in here.
Ooh.
Don't cut your hand, just make sure. So she finna add it on there. Add them in there.
Dad, you gotta wash your hand.
Yeah, add the mussels in there. And where the sauce is at?
The sausage.
Yeah, we're gonna let these cook first a little bit. Okay, we finna add a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit of the garlic in here. You know what I'm saying? Get a little pea. Oh, right there. Yeah. Just a little bit more. That's it, yeah. We're gonna do it like that, y'all. We free-handed. Ooh, smell that aroma. Now I'm finna add the sausages in there.
Too.
Add the sausages in there. Them Uncle John sausages with minced garlic.
Minced.
You know what I mean, minced garlic. Little white pepper. Okay, that's it. Get that little aroma. Ooh, that aroma, yo, that aroma. Not the Corona, but that aroma. You know what I'm saying? Come on, I need you to add the other shrimp. Now I'm finna add some jumbo shrimp in here. On the top all, let it boil. Little Everglades season. You can't get wrong with that. That give that, ooh-wee. That's it. Now I'm finna add. Come on, hold on.
It'll cut
Break it here. Yeah, they'll cut you. So, hold on. So I'm finna add the shrimp with the head on. This 5 pounds. See, I got 5 pounds for $4 a piece. So that wasn't bad. Big boy jumbo shrimp. Look at that, y'all. Big boy jumbo shrimp. You know what I'm saying? A pound. Go ahead and add them in there. Add them jumbos in there. Go ahead, add them in there. Come on, don't be scared.
I gotta open it unless I want to cut myself.
Go ahead and pour the things in there. Don't be scared, man. And we're gonna let these cook for about 5-10 minutes till they get, you know what I'm saying, gold. Ooh, let them get gold. We're gonna sit them in here, let these feed the boil. You know what I'm saying? Let me take one of these potatoes. You see how the potatoes soften up. Hot. Oh yeah.
It ain't hot.
It is hot. Look, you got shrimp on your lip. All right, y'all. This is what you call a seafood bowl. With the shrimp in there, the potatoes, the sausage. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna. Oh yeah, and the mussels. The mussels in here at the bottom. Stay tuned. We're gonna be back for the final touch and let y'all see how it go. Then we're gonna throw that pineapple explosion on them shrimp. Yeah, y'all. We back. Talk about the ice cream cone, but I'm out here fooling. So they almost done. So I'm gonna have to finish touch to it. See the mussels open. I want them to get a little more redder. Adding more shrimp to it. This is the cooked shrimp, but see the mussels open with the garlic mix. We're gonna add them. Let them cook. Let them cook with this. And once these get done, we all ready, y'all. We all ready. We go to the bottom, put some of them, let y'all see it. We got a sausage in there. The muscles all open, they ready. Gonna let these cook. For like 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. It's all ready. That's the seafood boil, yo. So when we come back, we'll be at the table with the Pineapple Explosion and this good seafood boil. So it ain't gonna take that long to cook these already cooked shrimp. It's just basically warming them up, you know what I'm saying?
She's a runner.
Be quiet.
Y'all gotta be quiet. She recording live. Cut that music off. Well, that's the finished touch, y'all. There you go, the seafood bowl. Mussels. Crabs. Oh, not crab. Here, put that over
Shrimp.
there. Shrimp. Lemon. This one have the garlic butter in it. This one have the regular. So guess what? Which one mine?
Wait, that one right there. Yep, bring that over.
All of that is yours?
Excuse me.
No, that's for that table. Y'all could have turned around too.
Y'all get over
Y'all
there.
move this. You
turn this
Get your phone.
All right, here.
Alright, when y'all
Drop it in my pocket.
later, you can get that chair.
You gotta drop it in my pocket.
That's that
I got
chair.
shrimp on my hand. How we supposed to do it? How we save it? Save it?
I just wanted you to finish it.
Oh, we all finished. Thank you for going, staying tuned with us. Shrimp boil with Bluecloud tropical barbecue sauce. Sorry we didn't put the Pineapple Explosion on there. Until next time, peace and be still.